Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about barbecue equipment. Barbecue equipment? Yes, barbecue equipment. But before we talk about that, I would like to remind everybody, if you haven't had a chance, subscribe to the channel. The red button down there you can click and then ring the notification bell that'll pop up so you get notified every time I do this. All right, barbecue equipment. What does barbecue equipment have to do with preparedness? Well, think of it this way. If you're on an all-electric house, guys that have gas don't go away. If you're in an all-electric house and the power's out, hey, if you got a good barbecue set outside on the back porch, you can still cook. Hey, those of you who have gas, hey, backhoes, construction backhoes have a notorious habit of sniffing out gas lines and yanking them out. So someone, 10, 12 blocks away could be, there could be some construction going on. There goes the gas line, and now you're without gas for a day or two. All right. So barbecue equipment is something you should have in your preps. And somebody goes, oh, I got a great barbecue setup, blah, blah, blah. And I got this and I got that. And I got all these thimmy jigs and willy dobs and everything else in it. Cool. Do you have extra wire brushes for cleaning the grills? Do you have everything you need to keep that grill in tip-top shape? Is it a propane grill or is it a briquette grill? Do you have fuel for it? Do you have lots of fuel for it? Because if there's something going on and you're having to cook on it for a week, you're going to need a bit of fuel. All right, so check out what you have. Figure out how much you go through normally and get at least a week. Don't make it better. Get at least 10 days worth of fuel for cooking on. All right. And make sure you're able to have enough other equipment to keep everything nice and clean so you don't have any fire hazards or any other problems with it. All righty. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on prepping and stay well prepared. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.